Hi, my name is Emeka Nobis, and I'm the founder of Knowledge Money University. Daily, I come across individuals who spend a lot of time advising other people on various areas of life, all for free. They advise money, investments, leadership, career growth, or any other thing that is utilizable in real life. They expend this knowledge on other people. They must have gone through pains or hurdles to be able to get these experiences or the knowledge that they currently have. And now they get nothing for sharing this knowledge for absolutely free. Sometimes these individuals, they silently wish in the darkness of their lives that they get paid for sharing the knowledge. But the truth is that they don't know how to exactly do this. I can tell you for a fact that I have been there in my own life. Many years ago, I realized that the problem wasn't that I didn't know enough, but the fact that I didn't know exactly how to take what it is that I knew, the wisdom that I had inside of me, the experiences that I had gathered in my life, and the expertise that I had acquired as a result of education, and turning all those into something that people can pay money for. But here is the stark truth. You already carry marketable wisdom. What are currently missing right now are clarity, positioning, and packaging. Firstly, you have to get so clear on what it is that you know that people will come to you for. Secondly, you've got to be able to master the process of turning that thing into a product, an ebook, a digital course, a learning system, or a coaching system. Thirdly, you've got to be able to build your visibility such that the right individuals who are seeking out the expertise, the wisdom, and knowledge you have can find you and pay you rightly for those. And the thing I have to tell you right now is that you're not called to everyone. That is exactly what we'll be teaching you right here at Knowledge Money University. We don't teach you theory. We teach you practical things to do such that you can convert your knowledge into income, impact, and influence. You've got to know that in this digital world right now, your mind is your gold mine. The big question I have to ask you right now as you're watching me, are you ready to mine your mind?